If you float on the surface of the ocean, then we collect peace. Go deeper was pleasure, then you collect peace. Unless you go deeper process, how can you get in the way that's Kṛṣṇa pain? That's the knowledge. That's right. That's like that.
But we can go deeper and deeper by associating sadhu, by asking questions and
clarifying all his doubts on such thing. Clarify all your doubts. No doubts, not tinge of doubts. Sansaya atma vinasyati, the tinge of doubt is there. You will perish. No doubt is there. Clarify all your doubts. That is the mercy of it. Without his mercy, nothing can be achieved. That mercy, daya, Kripa, very powerful. Very powerful. And that's like enlightenment. Kripa alok. And eye will open. Such alok, light will come. Your eye will open, then you can see correctly. Sun gives light. Sun rises, gives light, it dispels the darkness prevailing outside. Now the darkness prevailing in heart will be dispelled. Sun cannot do it. Sadhus do it. You understand? Sadhus do it. Sadhu's mercy is like that. Dispels the darkness prevailing in the heart. They open that eye inside, inner eye. That eye you can see the Lord Supreme. Enlightenment. Mercy to enlightenment. Enlightenment, mercy. Then you can see the Lord Supreme. And understanding and seeking. Without that you can. That mercy is so powerful mercy. Vaishnava Kripa, Sarva Siddhi. Also some perfection in that it. With mercy of Vaishnava. Two sides, there we are discussing that. Give the mercy, Sarva Vaishnava. Please, you give the mercy. They do commit offense. Speaking ill of a Vaishnava, blaspheming a Vaishnava. Everything is lost. If you have gotten anything, it's all destroyed. You are lost now. You are grieved of everything. You lose everything. Any education, any tapasya, anything you have gotten, if you commit Vaishnava Parāna, you lose everything. Therefore we say, don't come into Vaishnava Parāna. Don't come it. You become a non-mobilized. Blood of grass. Lowest of the law. All are superior to me. All are superior to me. All are Vaishnavas. But I'm not Muslims. All are whatever the law is the list will be made, number 1, 2, 3, like that. My name will come at last. Nobody belongs. The body is around. This is the attitude. Now the Vishnu will. So, this attitude, unless you develop this attitude, you cannot do Hari Bhajan. You cannot get the mercy of the Vaishnava. You cannot achieve supreme perfection. You understand?
Sadhu, if one can become humble by possessiveness of Vaishnava.
Yeah. Unless mercy of Vaishnava will get all sorts of perfection, why not this? You hear, you understand this thing and become humble. Why such pride and arrogance? Why such demoniac characteristic? Dambhadatva Himanasya Krodapa Asuri Yosa Sampadam Asuri Asuri demons, demoniac characteristic. That Vaishnava Sankara. Divine capacity. Demoniac capacity. Yes. This is the real sadhu. How humble they are. Śrīla Gour Swami. How humble they are. You see, how humble. Yes.
Yes. I wanted to ask, like when you go to India and take a bath in the Ganges or the Yamuna, and then there's this Babajis there who tell you that do the puja, you give this much money, and then everything will be all right.
They demand money. Then they are sadhus. Ganga Parasoile Pastade Pavan. Darsane Pavitra Karo, eat the Marguna. If you go to Ganges, toss the water of Ganges, or take bath there, if you take bath there, then you may be purified. Darsane Pavitra Karo, eat the Marguna, Vaishnava Thakur. Only by your darshan one becomes purified. So sadhu is greater than Ganga. Isn't it?
Yeah. But like in Brajavasis, they are all Brajavasis are Vaishnavas, so why not respect? I suppose when we are not respecting when they say do this puja, because that's their living, isn't it?
Let them be Vaishnavas, we pay our respect to them, that's all right. But why are you demanding money? Vaishnava never demands money. Vaishnava is so merciful, he offers mercy. In return, he never demands anything. But on demands one, then he is not a Vaishnava at all. Understand, Mataji? Yes. That's why they are doing some profession. They go Brahmanas. Brahma Tattva Madanati, Brahma Sutrena Govinda. They don't know Brahma Tattva. Well, very proud Govinda. With the Brahma Sutra. The Lord doesn't know, Brahma, you see, this is my Brahminical trade and curse you of you. You will be destroyed, all your fathers will be destroyed, everything. Give me money, give me money, give me money. Give me dakshin, give me bhojan, give me food and give me the satisfied. Like that.
So, Maharaj, why is it in India more and more temples are becoming like that? They say, the priests down there, they say if you put some money, then I open the curtains and you can see or whoever it is.
That is a very good source of income. We cannot earn money alight. This is source of income. In money, then I can show you the Lord. Sure. you can develop bhakti, you can serve. Kṛṣṇa manifest before you. See the very beautiful form of Shyam Sundar. Is not that giving some money to Panda and we open the curtain and can see. Only that.
These Indian people, they go for yatra, for 84 lakh yatra, they say.
Tirtha yatra.
Yeah,
Yes.
tirtha yatra.
I think
It's very
discussing
purified. Is it alright to go on that, Maharaj?
that. You were in the class.
Yeah, I was in the class. You
So-
said it's purified, yeah, I know, but
We were discussing that. What is tirtha? Now sadhu, taha tirtha, then Vrindavan. Where is the sadhu? This place, that place is tirtha, then Vrindavan. Yes. But Narottam Das Thakur says, what benefit is there? Will go 1,000 miles, spending 1,000 pounds of dollars to visit some tirtha and have a dip there. Huh? Holy water with it, so just to wash out your sins. But you don't go to sadhu, meet a sadhu and have association with sadhu, who stays there, who is engaged in bhajan, by his presence there, by his bhajan, the place becomes. If you don't do it, then your tirtha yatra is useless. You understand? That's the truth. Jana sadhu, taha tirtha. Where there is such a sadhu, that is tirtha, that is tirtha. Sadhu Vaishnava is more than a tirtha. That Mahaprabhu says, tirtharo parama tumi. When he saw Ishwarapuri, he said, Gaya Datra Sapalmo. I came to Gaya, I had to offer blessing to my deceased father, but I achieved success because I saw you, Vaishnava, Thakur. You are tirtha of the tirtha. You are tirtha of the tirtha. Supreme tirtha. You are supreme tirtha. Your lotus feet is supreme tirtha. When I saw you, then I got such a result. You are supreme tirtha. Yes. One goes to tirtha, offers pinda, offers to his father, and father may be delivered, or grandfather or great-grandfather, they may be delivered. But whom names he cannot utter, doesn't know how they can deliver. Koti Pitrupu, so that one can see you, such a Vaishnava who is the tirtha, parama tirtha, supreme tirtha, and crores of Prabhupadas are delivered. Crores. So, sadhu, Vaishnava is such a tirtha. His parama tirtha is supreme tirtha. Understand? Why go to such tirtha and give money to such pandas? Right? Thank you.
Govinda Mahārāja ki jai.
Prabhupada.